Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you all are enjoying good health, inshallah. As you already know, we have studied the topic disorders of eye in the previous video. Now we are going to study the next topics. Before studying those topics, we will talk about some of the MCQs over here. For a pilot, color vision is essential so that he or she can recognize aircraft position, lights, light gun signals, airport beacon, approach slope indicators, and chart symbols. Especially at night, a pilot must have the ability to perceive these colors necessary for the safe performance of his or her duties. Next, well students, this is the diagram of myopia and hypermetropia as a disorders of eye. So if you are asked to describe myopia, then you would draw these two diagrams, myopia and treatment of myopia. And if you are asked about the hypermetropia as a disorder of eye, then you would draw the diagram of hypermetropia and treatment of hypermetropia, right? Next is the contributions of Muslim scientists. First of all, the contribution of Ali ibn Isa. Ali ibn Isa 950 to 1012 was a famous Arab scientist. He wrote 3 books on ophthalmology, the study of the diseases and surgery of eyes. He described 130 eye diseases and prescribed 143 drugs to treat these diseases. This was the contribution of Ali ibn Isa. Next is the contribution of Ibn al-Haytham. Ibn al-Haytham 965 to 1039, an Arab scientist, made significant contributions to the principles of eye and vision. He is regarded as the father of optics, the study of behavior of light. His book of optics correctly explained and proved the modern theory of vision. He discussed the topics of medicine and eye surgery in his book. He made several improvements on eye surgery and accurately described the process of sight and the structure of eye, image formation in eye and visual system. Ibn al-Haytham also described the principles of pinhole camera. Well students, this was the contribution of Ibn al-Haytham. If we talk about the important MCQs, then the first MCQ is Ali ibn Isa wrote 3 books on ophthalmology. Ali ibn Isa described 130 eye diseases and prescribed 143 drugs to treat these diseases. Next MCQ. The contributions of Ibn al-Haytham were to the principles of eye and vision. Next, Ibn al-Haytham wrote a book named as Book of Optics, correctly explained and proved the modern theory of vision. Ibn al-Haytham described the principles of pinhole camera. Next, well students, our next topic is ear. We will study structure and functions of ear. First of all, the question on this page is, what do you know about the structure of ear? Answer to this question is, ear has 3 main parts, that is external ear, middle ear and internal ear. We will talk about the external ear firstly. Write the parts of external ear. External ear consists of pinna, auditory canal and eardrum. Tympanum. Define pinna. It is an important short question. Pinna is a broad external part made of cartilage and covered with skin. It helps to direct sound waves into auditory canal. Last question on this page is, what do you know about the eardrum? Auditory canal ends in eardrum. This thin membrane separates external ear from middle ear. Moving towards the important MCQ on this page, pinna helps to direct sound waves into auditory canal. The spatial glands in the wall of auditory canal produce wax. Auditory canal ends in eardrum. Eardrum separates external ear from middle ear. Well students, these were some of the important short questions and MCQs in the given topics. We have studied the external ear right now, and we will continue the other parts, middle and inner ear, in the next video inshallah. Okay, thank you very much.